Yma yn Lerpwl gafodd yn had I eni a'i fagu, yn ardal Anfield fel mae'n digwydd. Ond yn 1938, pan oedd o'n 6 mlwydd oed, mi ddoth yma I Goodison am y tro cynta, a dyna selio yn hynged I bob pwrpas, achos mi ydw i'n Evertonian o'r cryd. A dyna pam dwi wedi dod yma heddiw, I gwrdd â rhywun o'n I ddigon lwcus I chwarae efo fo pan o'n i'n iau, a rhywun oedd yn gapten ar y cyfnod mwyaf llwyddiannus yn hanes y clwb.
It was one of them we've gone from sort of failure to success in a small period of time. Sort of the November time we were sort of 6th from bottom and then ended up 6th from top by the end of the season, getting to a League Cup final and an FA Cup final, and then the following year winning the League and the European Cup Winners' Cup. All happened just like that, and it just seemed to snowball. And for a 3-year period we were winning things and, you know, having great times along with the fans. I didn't think I was going to spend that long here. You know, you know what the chances are when you come in. It's a fine margin, and to be here, I think I was into my 16th season, and then left. But yeah, that's one thing you want to do is be a regular coming into this room and sitting exactly where I am actually, where the shirt is. This was my spot, and Big Nev. A few sort of, well, far enough away from me anyway.
And that particular team could have gone further as well. When you consider what happened in 1985 at Heysel, how far could that team have gone had they competed in Europe for the seasons that followed?
Well, obviously you would have got stronger because I think there would have been more money available to get players in. Although the players that we had were good enough. The government didn't want us in Europe playing European football because of obviously the hooligan element that was happening at the time. Liverpool was going through a really, really bad period, obviously with unemployment and everything. And football really was the only thing. Everton and Liverpool being successful was the only thing that was keeping the city going, I felt.
Let's move on to the international career. What would be the difference then, do you think, between the squad that actually made it to the European Championships in 2016 and the squad that you were part of? Because there were great players in that squad as well.
It was always as if we were just 1 or 2 players short in certain... You know, you think of the strike force when you've got Dean Saunders, Ryan Giggs, Ian Rush, you know, Mark Hughes and that. And you're thinking, well, that is some strike force. That is. You know, but unfortunately they couldn't play centre-half, any of them.
You mentioned Ryan Giggs there. The right appointment, do you think?
I don't think there was a great choice, to be fair. But it needed maybe somebody that the players could look up to and sort of say, yeah, I want to play for this guy. It's still, I think, hit and miss. You know, it's going to be, everybody's judged on results, but I think more so as well. I don't think we've got the best of draws, but I think we might have peaked. I honestly do. When we went to the Euros, I think that's us peaked.
As Evertonians, we've seen good times, we've seen bad times as well. But during your period at the club, what would you say was the highlight?
I think winning the FA Cup. Yeah, the start of it all. It was a great day out, you know, as a player as well, not just as a supporter, as a player. So, you know, unfortunately, we let the supporters down 3 times, but on that one occasion we did win it. You know, it was fantastic.
I'm so glad you did. Kevin, thanks very much indeed.
Cheers,
It's been a great pleasure.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.